This is inspired by an exercise in coping with trauma-related dissociation. This is an exercise that everyone in your system should be encouraged to try when you or they are feeling overwhelmed by strong emotions and wanting to settle or regain balance. For this exercise, you'll need two objects. The first is something you can squeeze. If you have a stress ball, that works well. If not, a rolled up washcloth or a balled up pair of socks works just fine. The second object is more personal. You'll want something small that fits comfortably in your hand. Something you could even slip into a pocket if you wanted to carry it with you later. This object should symbolize healing, well-being, or calm for you. It might be a rock, like this little one, a photograph, a locket, or something similar. This object will likely be different for different altars or parts, and that's completely okay. Once you have your two objects, you're ready to begin. You can do this exercise sitting or standing. Just make sure both feet are firmly on the floor. Start by holding the object you'll squeeze in your non-dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, that's your left hand, and if you're left-handed, you're right. Now, squeeze the object as firmly as you can while imagining that you're squeezing out anything that feels like too much right now. Tension, emotional pressure, mental noise, or survival energy that helped you earlier but isn't needed in this moment. You might imagine all of that flowing through your body, down your arm, into your hand, and into the object. Some people find it helpful to picture the squeeze object like a drain, pulling stress and hard things out of them and away. Continue squeezing until it feels like you've drained what you need to come out, or until it simply feels right for you to be finished. When you're ready, release the object. Let it fall to the ground, taking that tension and unneeded energy with it. You might imagine that, like light or sound or heat, whatever the object absorbed fades away into nothing once it's released. If you notice that there's still some tension or emotional pressure left, you're welcome to repeat this part of the exercise. When you stop, you should feel at least a little less stressed or agitated than before. Next, take your healing object and hold it in your dominant hand. As you hold it, imagine or simply notice that it's overflowing with calm, steadiness, and healing. Whatever supportive qualities you need right now, settling, comfort, quiet, this object can offer them in abundance. As you breathe in, you might visualize or notice that sense of calm moving into your hand, up your arm, and gradually spreading throughout your body. With each breath in, it can extend a little further. It might feel warm as it spreads, or you might imagine it's light moving through you. This calming, healing energy can reach every part of you, your body, your mind, your heart. Any alters or parts who want to take it in are welcome to do so. Parts who would rather observe can simply notice what's happening, and parts who don't want to participate at all don't have to. As you breathe out, you can imagine anything that doesn't feel supportive or healing gently leaving your body with the exhalation. When you're ready to finish, consider slowly taking in and releasing one more breath, and then noticing something in the room around you that you like. Anytime you need calm or steadiness, you can return to this object and let what you need gently wash over you. Your object will never run out of healing energy. And one last thing, this exercise is for you. You're always welcome to modify it in any way that feels helpful or makes sense for you and your system. And if you'd like more ideas for how to use these two objects to help balance or settle yourself, I've made a free PDF you can download. The link is in the description.